Hello. Today we are seeing how to use the mouse utilities in PowerToys. So let's start.
So first here, open PowerToys. And then here, go to Mouse Utilities. Here, go to Find My Mouse and just enable it. Here, you can use this if you press the left control twice or anything. Custom shortcuts. I will do press right control twice. And here, I'm going to do that. Here is it. You can see it. If you click, it will go away. Here, mouse highlighter, turn it on, and then here, let's do the shortcuts. Windows Shift H. And here, if I click, I will do this color and this color and this color. And here, let's go here in behavior. Here in the primary button, highlight color, give it to green. I will do this to blue. This. Okay, you can see it. And here, jump mouse. Let's see what this does. Windows Shift G. I don't see any difference, but I just know. If you know, just tell it in the description. Here, mouse pointer, crosshair. Okay. Windows Alt. Sorry. I'll just do it. Windows Alt P. Oh, this is great. If you are in a tutorial or something like that. Here, I'll disable that. And here, this is how we use the mouse utilities.
Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it